a door that opens and closes which you can add to your Unreal game. It's easy to create. Download a door model, GLB format, drag the door parts into your scene, select the door parts, actor, merge actors, merge, save, repeat for the frame. Delete from the scene, bring the merged objects back in, resize to the correct scale, go into the modeling mode, go to transform, edit pivot. Set the pivot of the door frame to bottom, the pivot of the door to bottom, adjust its location to the hinge location. Accept. Bake transform. Open the door frame, under collision, remove collision, then auto convex collision, click apply, save. Create a new blueprint actor and open it. Add 2 static meshes, one for the door, one for the frame. Set those. Create a blueprint interface. Function interact. Door BP class setting, add interface, interact interface. Interact under interfaces, add a timeline. Door rotate, double click a new float track, rotate Z, length to 2, right click the line, add a key, add a second key, first key set 0, 0, second key 2, -90. Event graph, drag the door in, set relative rotation, break the new rotation, drag rotate Z to new rotation Z. Add a boolean is open, add a branch, hook true to play to start, false to reverse from end. Hook this up to not. On finished, set is open to not is open. Character blueprint, event tick, veer trace by channel. Get actor location, get actor forward vector. New variable, interact range, float 200. Actor location to start, connect the tick, multiply forward vector by interact range. Add to location to the end. Branch to return value, break the hit result. Tick the hit actor does implement interface, the interact interface. Connect to another branch, promote hit actor to a variable. Interactable object, set that on true. On false, set that to nothing. Connect that to both falses. Content browser, input actions, add new action, IA interact. In inputs, IMC default, add new mapping, IA interact, map to E. In your character, IA interact event, get interactable object, convert to validated get, call interact. Drag the door BP into your scene and test. Now you have a door that opens and closes which you can add to your Unreal game.